Let's go ahead and get started with the walk-on of the dance. This is going to be 2 sets of 8, and we will show you a demonstration to start. And here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, let's go ahead and break this down now. So as the dancers, when you are on the floor, the leader is going to start on the left side and the follower is going to start on the right side. Now we're both towards the top or the front half of the floor with our backs turned towards the people. So for the first set of 8, both leader and follower are going to walk around the sides or the edges of the dance floor. Wonderful. And then once we get towards the back half of the floor, we turn to meet each other in the middle and walk towards one another. Now you want to make sure you don't get there too soon, so really take your time. Follower, feel free to kind of play with your dress a little bit if you want. Leader, you can put your arms behind your back. Now we want to make sure we connect arms into a helicopter position when Taylor's first words come in. So what that means is, follower, your right arm is going to go on top of the leader's left shoulder. Leader, your right arm is going to go around the follower's left hip. Let's go ahead and break down our intro now. So the intro is going to be 6 sets of 8, and that starts with our helicopter walk around. So again, we're going to show you that demonstration. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start this intro again with that helicopter walk around. So we're in our position. We're going to walk around about 180 for 4 counts, going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then follower, your left arm is going to raise the leader's right arm up, and you're going to walk under it to get back to back. Now once you get in this position, we are preparing for a back-to-back lean. So you want to make sure, leader and follower, you're both holding each other with your hands. So leader, your hands can be on the bottom, giving your follower a little bit of resistance upwards. And then follower, you can place your hands right on top. Make sure you press down on their hands. Make sure your shoulders are down, your neck is long. And you just want to make sure your backs are close and connected. You don't want to start this back-to-back lean with too much space between you. Now moving on to our back-to-back lean. We are going to go down for 4 counts and up for 4 counts. Leader, you're going to step out on your right leg, hinge your body forward, and then you just slowly come back up. You want to make sure your shoulders and your hips stay in line so you're not breaking them, curving too much. Exactly. Now, follower, you are really just making sure you keep your standing leg, which is your left leg, really nice and supportive. So what that means is I'm keeping it straight. I'm really pressing down into the floor. And from there, you can decide, depending on your wardrobe, if your right leg has enough room to go through this développé, or if you would just like to keep it straight. So what I mean as through the développé, follower, is that your right leg, your toes would trail up from your ankle to your knee, and then it would extend outwards. And you can decide how high or low you want to do that, or again, just decide to keep your feet together.